Welcome back. We're gonna do some more work on the Ram 1500. We're gonna put some side steps on, and I did not know that these were that easy to put on because all the other Rams I've had over the I started driving them in around 2019, so they already had steps on there. So didn't realize how easy they are to put on, and maybe others don't know either. That being, I put this side on already. I mean, the right and left side are exactly the same as far as how they get put on. There's nothing different. um, Basically, you're going to use these three holes, and the studs are already on the truck underneath. So they give you this, just like this in the box. I mean, there's nothing you do. I just took it out of the box, and it's just like this. And then you got 18 of these nuts. Of course, I've used 9 already for the passenger side. So it's just a matter of going underneath, hanging it on the studs, put the nuts on, and then tighten it. Basically, just need a 13 millimeter ratchet. I don't think a gun will fit. All right, we'll just do this quick to show how easy it is. Pretty much right under the studs. And that is it. So underneath here, these are the studs that are already existing on the truck. There's the ones up front and the other set in the back. I think these look pretty good on here. They're pretty wide too. I got fender flares I'm gonna put on, so they should go all together. But that just shows if if you end up buying a cheaper truck at with some things that you want that are missing, some things are just super easy just to add on and not pay the dealer to put them on. They probably charge $200 to put those on. So you've seen it just took a couple minutes, and the other side was about the same. So I am going to put a bed step. I'm going to put bed step from Amp on the back because I'm almost 50, so I'm not climbing. So right there, and one for putting that on. We'll see if there's any interference with the tailpipe on the driver's side. They say it's not supposed to, but we'll see. So if you want to catch that, check out my other videos coming up, and we'll see you later.